Hello and welcome back to my cave. Today we will be working on the front seats, starting with issue 44. So here it states 44. This is rubber. First we need this space and we need to put this with an AP screw, like so. Then we need the side frame. They go on this. Go on like this. Also with AP screws. Like so, and then we do the same on the other side. Like so. And then we take the cushion with the foam. And that goes and you have two tabs on the other side. Twist like this, and the tabs go in with CP screws. Then we take the low part that just fits in like that and has 4 AP screws. Like so, and finally we need to put the seatbelt holder on here with a DP screw. Like so, and that is stage 44 complete. Then we need stage 45. First we take the metal support and install it like so. Then put the plate over it like so, and that uses 2 AP screws like so, and just loosen it up just slightly. And then it can move. So then we need the inner headrest. That goes like that and is held with AP screws. Like so, and then we take the outer headrest, which is rubber, and just slide it in here, and that is stage 45 complete. Now we need stage 46. First we need the seat frame, and that just slots in like so. Making sure all of the tabs. Then we need the headrest from stage 45, and that just slots in with a hook forward. And then we take the mounting bracket and it goes on like here with an AP screw, like so. And then we take the back cover that just slides over like this, and that goes in with 4 JP screws. Like so. And then we need the seat base from stage 44, and that goes on like this, and is held then with 2 AP screws. Like this. And then we take the hinge. It has a label on it, and on the left side first, and we take that uses 2 JP screws. And to do the same on the other side, also with 2 JP screws. Then we take the hinge rod and slide it in here, like so. And now the seat is complete. Now we need the floor, and that just slides on like so, like goes in like this, and it's held in with a single KP screw, like so. And that is stage 46 complete. Now we need stage 47, which is awfully similar to stage 44, just mirrored. First we need the base, and we need to install the seat lever, with a AP screw, like so. Then we need the interior panel and the vertical support that goes on like this with an AP screw like this, and we do the same on the other side, also with AP screws like so. Then we take the seat cushion, put the base under the tabs, like so, and we put two CP screws on the cushion tabs, like so. Then we put the bottom panel on like so, and that goes on with 4 AP screws like so. And then we put this seat belt holder on with a DP screw like so, and that is stage 47 complete. Then we need stage 48. Then we do the metal bar to the base, maybe a correct way. Like so, and put the cover on. With 2 AP screws. Back it up and like that. Then we take the inner headrest that goes like here, also with an AP screws like so, and then we put the rubber cover on top. That is stage 48 complete. Then the last stage for this video, stage 43. First we need the inner frame, goes under the tabs, through a hole on the side and a single on the bottom. And then we need the headrest from stage 48. And the headrest bracket that is held with an AP screw. Like so. Then we take the rear cover and that goes in like that with 4 JP screws. Then we need the seat base from 47, and that goes in with 2 AP screws. like so. Then we need the side thingies. They just are labeled and they go with 2 JP screws. And the same on the other side. Then we take the hinge bar and put it like so. Like so. Then we bring over the interior and put the seat down, and that is held on with a KP screw. Like so. Put the glue around, and that is stage 49 complete.